We have near protocol symbol NEAR versus the dollar. This is one that we've been following for a long time now, and it didn't just hit our downside targets, like it absolutely nuked them, which is kind of insane right there. Anyways, in this case, what are we looking at? We're looking at an hourly and 4 hour, and then we'll actually just do a general overview on it. So 4 hour time frame, definitely weak in the short term time frames. We see a slew of lower highs right here and lower lows, so it is still downtrending. It's already weak in a pretty weak market. So if Bitcoin does put in its sort of potential trappy-ish movement, then I'd expect this one to get hit a little bit more, with targets down to $5. That would be confirmed on this one with any sort of a move below yesterday's low, which is 556 and change. At that point, I look for that prior $5 wick low to probably get retested, and maybe even rolls over from there and retest somewhere down in like the mid to low $4 regions. That I don't have a super strong opinion on. My other strong opinion on is on that if you do not break below there, just put in a wick down like that, and then specifically pop back up above. I'm guessing this is yesterday's high. I would be looking for this one to test the medium-term time frame range highs and put in a move short-term to like 740, maybe even 750, somewhere around here, if that were to happen. Daily, ugly, but again, if that does happen, I'd confirm a bit of probably a bear market rally with targets extended up to like 8.5 potentially. I think best it does to the upside though is about 9.5. And then if we go down to like very low term time frames, short term, yeah, I do think it's going to test down around here. So if you do fail this region, then, you know, much lower, or I guess much lower, depending upon your disposition. If you do put in a quick wick and then bounce back up again above these highs, that's when I would say your corrective bounce is likely to occur. Other than that, daily, you know, it's working off extreme conditions. You would naturally have some bullish divergence on daily RSI as well. I don't think this is going to be like a reversal to like a bull market or anything, extremely unlikely, but I do think, you know, it's probably more likely to bounce out of this region after one more retest of the lows. But hey, invalidations are said in that case for tests lower if that happens. And again, if Bitcoin, you know, trades below its relevant levels that we spoke about earlier, you know, I'd be very much looking for near to get hit in a more harsh manner. Daily stochastic momentum is downside angle as long as you're below $6.5, not fucking good. 4 hour is going to turn down below 580, which you're actually above right now, so that's better than not. 12 hour is still down below about $6.5, so this one has a lot of pressure down right here, man. If I was just looking at this one, I'd say very, very likely to test to the downside. You know, you do have a bit of a descending triangle going on right here too, so, you know, if that does play out, $4.5 or 460 is kind of where I'd be looking for. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for near.